Welcome to Biology of Marine Mammals. In this little supplemental, we're going to take a look at a right whale that is skimming along the surface and feeding so that you can get an actual visual of how skimming works. So let's go ahead and play this video. As you can see from this video, we see the rostrum barely peeking out of the water here. And you can see the baleen plates that are coming down with a rather large opening right in the front. So as that right whale is moving along the surface of the water, it's taking in large quantities of water, and then it's going to use its tongue to push a lot of that water back out and capture the organisms, the little small zooplankton or other food items. You can see they're very slow moving, and they literally just skim the top of the water column. Okay, with that, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.